Hey, what's up? It's Leah from Fourthwall. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the best print-on-demand products for your shop. Fourthwall also offers all of the products we'll talk about in our product catalog, so we'll link them below so you can check them out. Let's get into it. If you didn't know, print-on-demand products are items that are only produced when an order is placed. So if one person places an order, only one item's produced. This way, you don't have to worry about having any excess inventory. One of the most popular print-on-demand products you're probably familiar with is a t-shirt. Now, a unisex t-shirt is always a great option. They're super versatile and can be worn all year round. Some of my favorites from our catalog are the Comfort Color 1717. This is a more heavyweight streetwear style t-shirt. It's one that I wear a lot. And I also love the Bella Canvas 3001. This blanket is so soft and comfortable. So they're really great options. One's more streetwear style and the other one's just a really comfy shirt. Another essential is a hoodie. Hoodies are so nice and so comfortable whether you're wearing them around the house or wearing them out. And it's really cool to be able to rep your favorite creator by wearing a hoodie. We have a lot of amazing hoodies. One favorite is the Gildan 18500. I love this hoodie. I feel like it's super soft and comfortable, and it's also on the cheaper side. An alternative to this is the Cotton Heritage M2580. This is a super high quality blanket. It's definitely, again, giving you that streetwear high quality vibe. More expensive than the Gildan, but a really nice piece. Next up are phone cases. This one's pretty self-explanatory. Who doesn't love a nice phone case? Phone cases are awesome to design and have ready for your community. And also they're used every day. So they're basically a walking billboard for you too. Speaking of walking billboards, stickers are one of the best merch items in my opinion. They're super fun to design and at a low cost to your viewers. I recommend every creator have at least one sticker in their shop. And with Fourthwall, we've got a good chunk of sticker options for you. You can have a kiss cut sticker, you can do a kiss cut sticker sheet, or my personal favorite, holographic stickers. Again, stickers are a super affordable and fun way for your community to support you. Another affordable yet impactful item is magnets. Similar to stickers, you can kind of customize them with any design that you'd like, and they're going to be seen pretty often, especially if they're getting stuck on someone's fridge or locker. Another item that will be used super often and seen all of the time is a water bottle or a mug. Drinkware is super awesome to add to your shop, and we've got a lot of options on Fourthwall. Whether you want a water bottle, a tumbler for coffee, a wine tumbler, a mug, we got you covered. And it's super fun to be able to print all over the item and really customize them to be something you know your audience will love. Next up is headwear. I'm personally a huge fan of a beanie. I have a whole collection, but we've also got some dad hats, some baseball hats, some bucket hats. Hats are a really fun item to add to your collection, and you can utilize embroidery on them, which just has this like nice, high quality, fun vibe. As you can see, there are so many options for print-on-demand products, and we didn't even cover all of them. There's still pillows, notebooks, backpacks, yoga mats, and so much more. If you want to read a bit more about these products, you can check out our blog linked below, and I'll also link our entire product catalog so you can take a look at everything Fourthwall has to offer. Speaking of Fourthwall, if you want to start your own shop and start creating products, you can do so for completely free today by signing up using the link in our description. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let me know what you'll be creating next for your community, and I'll see you guys very soon.